Hey, girl. No, don't look at there. Don't look over there.
Hear the CD. I want to hear the
She's
CD.
obsessed with the camera already.
I want to hear the CD.
No, I don't want the TV on.
I want the TV on.
Hey, girl.
I want to be TV on.
I just want us to play.
What other play? Oh,
Hey, just a second. Let's see if I can get her to
I
smile.
need to hear TV. I need to hear the TV.
See what happens when you stop staring at the camera blindly. It'll be easier once your daddy's home, because then he can stealthily take some video while I make you smile. Those hiccups are a pain, aren't they? Hey. Hi. Bye. Is he crazy? Is he crazy? Those darn hiccups. Hopefully they go away soon. Gotta put you down for a nap soon. You have anything to say for yourself?
I'm ready.
You're running?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, you enjoy that.